Hello guys. So today we're going to learn how to read Excel files and CSV files. For example, how we want to import, how will we import either XLSX, XLS or CSV files using RStudio. So I've written a code here. I'll first delete it. Okay, so I'll use this particular library. Okay, using Control plus Enter, I've loaded this library into the RStudio. Now I will use, uh, this is the working directory, default working directory. I've preset it before starting, after starting the RStudio. Okay, as you can see, there are some files here. There are some CSV files and there is an XLSX file. So first of all, this edges.csv file, if I want to import it in RStudio, using RStudio, then how can I do it? So basically we're using R programming language in it. We can also use Python, okay? But from here, we can use Python as well, but I'm using R, okay? So the function that we will use is, first of all, we will name a data set. I'll name a data set, okay? So the data set that I'm going to name is edges. This sign is basically used to set a data set equal to something else. Now, we want to read CSV file. Okay, this is the function that is used to read a CSV file. And what do we want to read? We'll write the name of the file here, citations.csv. It is in our working directory, so we don't need to mention the whole path. Okay, now I'll Control plus Enter, I'll read it. Okay, so there's a problem here. Let me set it as sorry. Named it citation.csv is citations.csv. Okay. Name of the file should be accurate. Okay. Now, as you can see here, just wait a second, it will open. Okay, now if I want to view this, here in the console, I'll write this particular view. Control L. Okay. Now I'll view this is the data set which we have imported into R using RStudio. Now, if we want to import an Excel file, how will we do it? Okay, first of all, I'll set up a new, since I don't have an Excel file, okay, I have this Excel file here, papers new XLSX, okay. Read Excel. Read Excel function is quite convenient because it automatically determines whether our file is XLS or XLSX. So we don't have to specifically mention which file we are reading. Okay. Papers new XLSX. Okay. Papers new dot XLSX. Okay. Let us view this. So now we've imported both the Excel file and the CSV file. Now, if we want to change our working directory, how will we do that? Let me tell you guys. From here, you can select the folder which you want to set as your new working directory. Okay. For example, I want to select this particular folder, semester 2. Okay, I want to select this particular folder and set it as a working directory. I will open it up. From the more option, I'll set it as working directory. Okay. Now you could have you could have set as sorry, I'm sorry about that. You could have set it as a working directory by using the setwd function as well. Now, if you want to know what is your working directory, you can write getwd. Okay. This will give you your new working directory, which is this particular folder. Okay. I think that's it for today's video.